Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about how to write, how to express your negative thoughts. Accepting negative thoughts means you are affirming humanity. But what we generally do when we ignore the truth, instead of paying attention, we cut ourselves from the world and we overuse social media. We spend hours and hours on social media. At times, we deny the situation and event, and sometimes we overthink. We overthink over the things which actually does not exist. We keep ourselves so busy in the work, and we sometimes blast our anger on innocent people. So, guys, avoiding pain will not help you at all. Friends, be honest and be calm. Give yourself a genuine feedback. We will write our cactus story. Friends, I made this my cactus. That is some negative feelings. First one is negative incidents and events. I had fear of failure. So I just write down failure. Then, second, what words or thoughts are popping up in my mind? So I thought I can't do it. It's very tough. Third is how is your inner dialogues? Negative. And we generally think what other people will think. What is going on in your mind right now? Am I tense? Yes. What hurts me? What bothers me? I want to communicate with. I want to remain silent. Can I think about forgiveness? Actions. So, guys, these questions will help you to identify your area of action. It gives clarity. Here, I am giving you some questions, some prompts that you need to ask yourself. Just take a piece of paper or a diary and write what you feel, how you feel. You don't need to write down long paragraph or essay. Just write simple sentences. You can also make this negative feelings survey. You have to just observe. And these questions you need to ask yourself that is it true or false? Do you believe this thought? Where does this thought come from? What to do if it is bad? What you need to know? What you can learn from these negative thoughts or events? Can you let the thought go? And finally, am I ready to heal? Am I ready to express my feelings? Or am I ready to take actions? And this is the chart. I made this chart for my month of September. These are the dates, and we have to just write down whether we are feeling sad or happy. You can put tick mark. If you are a parent who is watching my video, they can also help their kids to identify their negative feelings. You can ask them, how was your day? The things that happened today, your favorite activity of the day, and finally, if you could change something about today, what would it be? These questions will definitely help. I wrote these pages many times and it helped me a lot. So I can give you some advantages of journal pages. First, you can identify the exact area of action and it gives clarity and feeling of fulfillment and accomplishment. You can take correct decision or you can develop new ways of handling situations. It gives me time and space in which you can connect yourself with your inner self. You may know about your hidden feelings or unspoken feelings. Guys, this is another example of my anger. I have expressed my anger on paper with help of crayon, or you can use oil pastel and watercolor, whatever. Just do it. You will feel relaxed. So guys, that's it for the today's video. I hope you like it and it will be beneficial for you. So let me know your genuine feedback. I am awaiting for your responses. Bye for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.